soya bean curd with tapioca pearl and arnibal or taho is combined with milk tea. Here is what it looks like. And we call it tahoka. It all started when me and my friends once dreamed of starting a business together. And now that dream is finally becoming a reality. Hi, I'm Jibril Bugtong, a first year in Ateneo, and this are my friends from UNC. Sup? They're first year too. And you guys might be wondering why I'm here. So my friend JR and Dave, and si Don, nawawala si Don eh. May pasok si Don. They told me that they will have a 3 days event here in UNC. Ano nga tawag doon?
Paskuhan.
And that's really an opportunity for us.
What's up UNCians? Pampol muna ako dito ah.
Our day one of selling tahoka here was beyond my expectation. Ang daming nangyayari. Marami ang bumibili. As in, ang dami talagang bumibili. If we're gonna compare it dun sa may SM, mas marami talaga dito.
Daming bumibili ng mga estudyante from UNC. Thank you so much UNC.
Meron pang nagsaside hustle.
Charot sa tropa ko nagsa-side hustle.
Sabi ko, I'll take this opportunity na ibenta to dito.
Sige, tama,
Kasi
tama.
alam ko na may magbibili eh.
Okay. TOP yung tropa mo nakabenta ng isa.
May sumasayaw. At may kumakanta pa.
Bili na kayo.
Damn! Let's go!
But ang aga namin na sold out.
Ang aga namin natapos since naubos talaga yung taho or yung soya bean curd. Kailangan na namin magsarado kasi nga
Hindi kompleto ang tahoka kapag walang taho.
for our day one here, we're done. So makasatapos rin tayo. How's the experience guys?
Very nice. Kapagod.
Yeah, so most of us here are probably tired. But it's fun kasi bira lang rin yung ganitong opportunity and thank you so much talaga.
But the only marketing we did is yung video ni Don about tahoka's opening. It is really different pala when selling in daytime kasi lagi kami gabi. 9:30 PM onwards nagbebenta. But now, a new experience unlocked. Sakto sa my school at nadadandaanan talaga ng mga estudyante. Kaya thank you so much UNCians for supporting our business, trying our product. I love you all guys.
Pogi mo JD, 1, 2, 3.
Yan.
Pogi mo JD, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
We're happy rin syempre since they all liked it. Ata.
So if you guys have feedbacks and kamusta nga ba talaga yung tahuka namin? Is it good? Is it bad? Message me on my Facebook page or sa Tahuka. We're open for improvement. That's why.
If you guys are planning to taste it, we're just here in front of AMS building in the UNC campus this December 5, 6, and 7 only. And see you guys there.
And bring an extra money kasi for sure you might want to buy again once you tasted it.
So before the vlog ends, I want to shout out these people. Si Twency30 from YouTube and si PanPH from YouTube.
So guys, if you want to shout out, ano nga sasabihin ulit?
Hashtag Pogi Libre, 1, 2, 3.
Tama.
Here's the question, anong pinakamasarap na flavor ng tahoka?
Ano daw?
Alaka dun. Lock mo na yan. Tama na. Natin go. Kasi si ano? Nag-chat, may class po sa EMS. Mababand na tayo dito. Sarado na, mababand na, sarado na.
Di pa ka nag-iisang araw, boy. Wala na agad dito sa UNC.
Tama ba kasi
Ate, shoutout sa'yo ate. Napakaganda ng boses mo. Uwi na!
Salukuyan kami pinagalitan dito sa AMS building dahil sa sobrang ingay namin. Sorry po.
Sa mga nabulabog.
Nadala lang po kami ng emosyon. Sorry.